We have one of the winners of the Bourbon Select 6 here. A 1931. Yeah, one of the winners for the Bourbon Select 6 from Bellatane. Oh, come on, man. Pennsylvania. Congratulations. Well deserved for a beautiful car.
Excuse me.
Hey, congratulations.
All right, look at him first.
There you go. What a beautiful car. Excuse me, fellas. Yeah, we're giving, this is one of the Select 6 winners. We're giving him his award right now.